China has developed a mosquito-sized spy drone, which is being called a super spy mosquito. This drone has been created by the National University of Defense Technology (NUDT) in China and is designed for covert military operations and intelligence gathering. The drone is as small as a mosquito, weighs less than 0.6 centimeters, and resembles a mosquito in appearance. Its wings are yellow like leaves, and its body is thin and black. It is designed in such a way that it blends into the natural environment, making it difficult to detect with traditional security systems. It includes communication gear, sensors, power units, and control electronics. China claims that these small bionic robots are suitable for intelligence, surveillance, and special missions on the battlefield. The unveiling of this drone has raised global concerns that it could be misused for purposes such as espionage, cybercrime, or even biological warfare. Experts fear that this drone could enter homes to listen to private conversations or steal personal information.